small bathroom renovation. Now you gotta go check out part 1 and part 2, which led up to everything what we did, what you're seeing here now. So now what we're gonna start doing is taking care of waterproofing this whole entire shower, as well as installing our transitions and our tile. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so my husband already introduced what we're going to be doing. We're going to be working with Red Guard, and that is a waterproofer. We're going to be applying it to the floors and the areas where we're going to be tiling. Obviously these are the areas that will be exposed a lot to the floors, including those areas with the toilet and the sink. Right, baby?
Yep.
So let's get to work.
I cut and you roll. Yeah, we go. Here we go, here we go.
I'm ready, Papi. Let's go. Are you going to show that I was doing this, or are you going to try to cut me out of the video again to make it look like you do all the work?
Listen, you only around when you're around. This girl's on YouTubing, chasing flies. She's doing all kinds of stuff.
Oh, really? Really? Okay, okay.
We know that game.
Okay. See what you're going to be eating.
Uh-huh.
So I'm not sure if the can tells you to actually put a mask on, but the fumes were a bit much for me. So I opened a window and I decided to put a mask. It's not a N95 mask, but it will do. I'm feeling good.
Alright guys, so we got the waterproofer all set. That's all nice and dry. And I'm thinking of adding a little bit more pop here because we really didn't have any lighting except over the medicine cabinet. So probably maybe a little recessed lighting here.
Wait, time out. We didn't remove the light. What we're going to do is have a light above the mirror where you guys see that to the left.
Yes.
To the left, to the left. And then to the top, to the top.
Right.
We're gonna put a light. We're gonna put a light right where our bathtub is gonna be.
Recessed lighting going right here. Let's get it done. Alright. So I see what we have here. This is really good. Really good, really good, really good. I'm gonna show you. So we have space. They built this ceiling right underneath the original ceiling right here, but the good thing is it gives me enough space to put my wiring all the way down and drop it down to that switch. Greg likes that. Greg likes that. So I'm gonna run the wire from this location, go down, hit the box, and make it go from this to this. All right guys, now it's time for tiling. I'm gonna start with my niche. We decided to go with a solid base here to rest our soaps and shampoos and everything that we have here. Having grout lines on here is not going to be pretty and in the long run. We chose a nice stone for this. So now we're going to start with the niche to start tiling this. I have my midpoint where my first tile is going to go. I measured from the floor up. We're working with about 5 by 5 tile. And this tile that we have, that we found at a great price, they don't have even ends. So they're very... it's going to be a cool look. We're going to go with a staggered pattern, so I think that'll make it really pop in there. So, going to start with the niche. Let's get to it.
All right, baby, go ahead now. Oh, you're cutting that?
No.
Oh.
So I can mark it up and know exactly where to put it, baby. Yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your grout.
Yes. So I'm working with a I'm working with a 1/2 inch trowel. I'm gonna put it on pretty liberal, like that there. And then I'm also gonna put it on the back of my
Is there a reason for that?
Just more adhesion. Make sure it's on really good. There you go. All right. Put it right on.
First piece on, baby.
First piece on. Okay guys, I got my first two tile in. I'm using toothpicks. Those are a 1/16 of an inch, and that's the gap I want between each and every tile. So I'm gonna use my laser to make sure I'm nice and straight. I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, you see my line, my laser line, it's already done for me. I love this laser, so it keeps me right in line exactly to where I should be at, all the way to the other side of my niche.
Wow, baby, you're doing so good.
You like it?
I love it. So guys, while hubby is putting them, stacking them up, guess who's cutting them?
Right there.
Uh-oh, Julie, go ahead, girl, go ahead.
Good, awesome job, Julie.
Woo! Go ahead, Julie, show them what you did.
I cut this tile right here, and I also put it in.
Good job, girl.
I can do it. You can do it.
Guys, it is currently, let me see what time it is. Okay, can you guys see? It's midnight, guys. Because you're sleeping and Gregor and I are working. Right, babe?
Yes.
So we're gonna clean the mortar off of the tiles and then start grouting. Right, baby?
That's it.
And then we're going to be painting the ceiling.
I'm gonna be painting the ceiling.
Painting the ceiling what color?
It's a surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. I think she's weird. Black ceilings?
Yeah,
What
guys.
have you thought of that?
That's the color. Black
Who
ceilings.
thought of this? Black. For
So
a
guys,
ceiling.
the majority of the bathroom is going to be a white color. So I wanted something, I know this bathroom is very small, and I wanted something that's gonna, I don't know, make it look bigger. Make it look bigger and also cause you to look up. You're a hot mess. You were just tired. So what do you think so far?
I don't know what to make of it.
Why don't you stand
think,
outside?
Honestly,
Why don't you stand outside? This is gonna be true light right here. This is, and then we're
you know what? It just might have that nice,
like moody feel.
yeah.
Like when I'm
yeah.
taking a bath and stuff like that, it's just gonna be like so. Don't put it.
Yeah, you know what? I think you might be right, huh? I think you might be on to something. Can you picture me in my bath?
Actually, no. I can picture myself.
Yeah, you know what? I think I see what you're talking about. We'll get the window done. We're not done with all this. That's gonna get.
We still haven't
taken care of.
grouted. We still haven't put the stuff up. We haven't done a lot of stuff. So once it's all done and all comes together,
Yeah.
you're gonna see.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna keep on going.
let's go.
All right, guys, it's really coming together. Now it's time for grout. We're gonna end up going with a charcoal black color. Let's install it.
What you doing?
You see I'm wiping it? You see I'm wiping the grout?
Oh, you're wiping it out?
Yeah, see how dirty it is up there? So I gotta wipe it all down and get it nice and clean.
You put it on the wall?
Yes. You see how I did that? See how I take it all off?
Oh.
Yeah.
You need to take the paint off?
No, the grout off.
Oh, paint? Paint? A paint?
Well, the grout. I gotta take the grout off.
Oh, you need to put it?
Yes.
I love that.
You like it?
Yeah.
Really? What do you like about it?
Pretty.
Looks pretty, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time for primer. Alright people, so I got my tile all laid out on the floor. I know exactly how I'm gonna lay this evenly. We went with a cement tile. I love the color. I think it's gonna add some flair to this. Let's get started on some tile. Alright guys, so I got the cement tile sealed over. Now I'm getting ready to install my grout, get that moving.
So we're going with a light gray grout with the recommendations of the cement tile shop.
Yes, 'cause they said that lighter was better. That's
Yeah.
what we're gonna go with.
Because it's the cement tiles are porous, and if it was a darker tile, then you would get stained, and we don't want that.
No, you still have to seal it like we did, but you want to use a good sealer, a really good quality sealer, non-water based. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours since I've grouted, and now I'm putting on the last coat of sealer. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. Stay tuned next week, we start putting it all together.